Yo, are you good? Are you good? What is going on, guys? It is Bryson back today with another video. In today's video, guys, you might be wondering why I'm in the woods. Not because I'm going to show you guys our bike trail. And we actually made this entire thing in one day, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys a time lapse right now. Alright, let's get it on, boys. Come up here. It's a lot harder than I look, by the way. Okay, guys, now I'm going to try to, put it on the front where I'm holding it. So if it falls and cracks my phone, you guys better go oh my helmet's really messed up, by the way. No, it's not. Ow. What? No. What? Probably, yeah. Rangeley, move! Alright guys, sorry that was pretty shaky. I couldn't hold it. I was gonna try to, but I couldn't. So I had to tape it to my shirt right there. So that's why it was so shaky, because there's weight on it and it's just bouncing around. But it didn't look as bad as I thought, honestly. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go get up on the roof for fun. Almost up there. There we go. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. Fall to your death, fall to your life.
This thing's bent in every time.
I'm going out this way a bit, boys. Yeah, I'm not going out any farther. I'm going home.
If I were you.
I'm going home, mommy. That is an angle.
Hello everybody, my name is
Look
Speedy
at
Gonzalez. My name is
It's a
Speedy
slanted
Gonzalez.
roof. Say what's up, dude.
Sorry.
Say what's up, dude. Say what's up, dude.
Oh, sorry. Oh, main party.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Good job, Rangeley. You're on the roof.
I'm going to move these boards a little bit so you can sit down right here, because I don't want you going all the way up. Okay?
So good.
Good job, Bugaboo.
Hi.
Okay, guys, we're going on the trampoline. Best trick wins $1 million.
Oh,
I'm
I
serious.
got you, fam. Do somersault, I bet. Do a coolest trick. Okay. Oh man, I'm gonna try again.
Okay, best trick. Go.
Oh, I didn't know.
Good job. Okay, Maine, do your best trick.
Good. Oh, what? Oh.
Do your best trick.
Where's it move? Hey, your best trick's a front floor? Help me.
Okay, guys, so I just looked at my phone and we hit 20 subscribers before December. There's still like 11 days left when you guys watch this, probably like 10. Back up. You're way too close to my face. So like guys, thank you so much. I really wanted to do it, and you guys did. When I first started it, I was like, I didn't honestly think we were gonna do it. And the last night I lost like 2 subscribers, so I was like, I got like kind of upset. But now I think we should try to hit 30 before December. I think we can do it. Our channel grew pretty fast to be new. So let's see if we can get 30 before December. Just tell all your friends, tell everybody you know. They don't have to be your friends. Just
You're
tell
being
them.
selfish.
What?
Being selfish.
Being selfish. All right. So whatever I just said up there, it doesn't matter anymore because I look on my phone and someone just unsubscribed. So whoever did that, I don't like you. I don't like you one bit.
It was me! I got you so good!
Are you serious?
Yes!
Guys!
See? Look. Right there.
That's cool.
And subscribe. Now you should.
Yo. Oh.
What?
Are you still filming?
Look at it.
Okay, we started again. We got it.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm good. That was kind of faked, but the beginning part wasn't. But that was the last clip. Yeah. Yo, were you good? Are you good? He said he broke his arm. Are you good?
Yeah, I tried to skirt. I turned my wheel all the way around.
It's not broken. Alright guys, I think that is going to be the vlog for today. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you've not done that already. Because if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram link will be right there on the screen, guys. So you can go follow that right now for more behind the scenes stuff. So, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.